everyone. Welcome to another
All right.
fast-paced version of Alvin's Autos. High excitement.
Amazing.
Introduce our guest.
All right, our cousin Luann is going to start the T-Bird.
What year is it?
57.
Isn't it beautiful?
It's a good one.
Go ahead and get in.
Oh, that's the year I was born. We're the same age.
Oh, even better. Give me a
love it.
minute.
Okay.
So I have to hook up the battery. Just double check. So we're good there. We'll close the door.
Okay.
All right, let me hook up the battery.
Well, that's not too exciting.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Let me go over here.
So you unhook it between startups?
Yeah, when it sits for a while, so the battery doesn't drain and go good.
There's a good look on the 57 T-Bird E-code. But we've got a single barrel carburetor
Check
on it
out
now.
the
I'm gonna give it. I'm cheating.
Okay, so here, what do you got
I'm
here?
cheating with starter fluid.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna cheat.
All
I
right.
just learned about that.
Yeah, it's okay to cheat once in a while.
Okay.
That's not cheating.
All right.
That's just ensuring success.
All right, so
Okay, ready?
you're gonna turn the key and then use your right foot on the throttle, give a little gas, and then go for it.
Oh,
Okay,
sorry.
almost. Let me
Or
give
should
it-
I keep the gas on a little
You
more?
can feather it,
Okay.
give a little gas. Let me
Okay.
give it one more shot.
Okay.
Okay, give it
All right.
Too much fun. All right, here we go.
Oh, I know. Okay, yeah. Once you you're fine. Once you hit it, you can let go.
Oh,
Yeah, that's right.
sorry.
Yeah, so once it catches,
Yeah,
then
then,
just let it go.
okay.
Yeah, just let it go.
Instead of,
Yeah, just all right.
Okay.
Hold on. Yeah, then you just take your hand off it.
Okay.
Take your hand off the key.
All right, here we go.
Well, you got almost.
That's it.
Oh, you did it!
Tachometer down there. Sounds good. Yeah, it sounds real nice.
That's it. Yeah, it has to warm up.
Yeah.
Let it warm up. You just give it a little gas. Once it gets warmed up, you can take your foot off.
Here we go. So we're going for a test drive now. Got the sun in our eyes here. Let's go this way. All right, there you go. Well, hope you make it back in one piece. Yeah.
God bless us.
That looks good. No leaks. It's been a few months since we had this one on the road. So Luann's going for her first ride, I guess, test drive, ride along. There you go. Looks like they made it. Well, first impressions, yeah.